Hey everybody, this video got some American lock displays here, and they didn't come with any keys, so I'm going to use the AM5 Lishi and Lishi the American lock keyways anyway. I don't know what keyway this one is. This one's American, that one is Schlag, American, Schlag, and Jeff Moss thinks this one is the Master Lock Y keyway. Not sure. He's going to send me some blanks. I'll be able to try that, so thank you, Jeff. And this one is American Lock Keyway and American Lock Keyway. And I'm probably going to just start with this one because it's one of my favorite ones to pick here, the 5300. So let me get the tripod set up and we'll give it a go. All right, I think this angle will work here. And let's see if we can get the 5300 open here, one of my favorite ones. Let's see if we can get it to focus here. Alright, I think that ought to work. So I'm going to use my thumb here to put some tension on it. And we got nothing in position 6. Head over to 1. 1's binding, little click. Head over to 2. 2's binding. Click. Okay, 3 is, I think that's going to be a 7 or an 8. 4, binding, and we're open. So it'll be open like that. That's going to mean that 3 and 5 are going to be 7 or 8 cuts because you don't have to actually pick those. And we'll see if I can go ahead and decode it here. All right, so we got a 2, 6, 8, 5, and that's going to be an 8. So let me go cut a key and make sure that it works here. All right, so here's our key. And before I close the shackle, so it turns it and it does work. And let's see if it works on any of the other ones here. All right, so that's key to like, and that's not the American keyway. That one is. That's Schlag. That's going to be American. And on this one here, I don't know what keyway this one is. I can't see it. And I know that doesn't fit. And I tried this. I know this doesn't fit, so I don't know what keyway that one actually is, but looks like they're all keyed the same anyway, so I'm not going to get as many picking videos as I thought. I guess next, probably grab the Schlag Lishi and see if the Schlag keyways are also keyed the same. So questions, comments, leave them in the comments, and it's going to do it for now, and we'll talk to everybody later.